All right, keep it coming straight back. Easy now.
Yep, moisture levels are optimal. Clear this truck for unloading.
The raw fiber intake is stable at 200 tons per hour. Acknowledged. Centrifuges are maintaining optimal speed and separation.
The tensile strength on this batch is exceeding the target metrics. We are maintaining perfect consistency.
The water pressure looks perfect right here.
Yeah. Yes, and the tensile strength is holding up well. This batch is flawless.
Finding solutions, transforming sugarcane into premium, comfortable clothing. A sustainable journey from stock to showroom.